Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Metamask to P network. First, install the Metamask extension on your browser or the Metamask mobile app. Then, create a wallet and make sure to safely back up your secret recovery phrase. After that, copy your wallet address. Next, open the P network app. Go to your profile, then wallet or withdraw section, and look for the option to connect wallet or bind wallet. If P Network supports wallet connection, choose Metamask, approve the connection request inside Metamask, and confirm your wallet address. If you need to connect manually, paste your Metamask wallet address into the P Network wallet field and save or confirm. Now make sure Metamask is set to the correct network, either Ethereum mainnet or BNB Smart Chain if P requires it. To change the network, open Metamask, use the network dropdown, and select the correct network. After linking, your wallet address should appear in P Network and you will be able to withdraw if withdrawals are enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.